Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have three little fish with me here today. This is Jing Xian Yu. Very nice. The meat is very tender, very sweet, and it is wild. So far, nobody can really farm this fish yet. Yeah. So when you see a very fresh Jing Xian Yu, go ahead and buy it. And pan fry, just pan fry, it will already taste very good. But today, I will do one more step. After I pan fry, I will actually braise it a little bit, yeah. So I have few pieces of ginger here, some white portion of spring onion and some red chili, some salt, sugar, premium light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and some water. So first of all, prepare a hot oil. It should be smoking hot. Then we put in the fish one by one. Usually I always tend to shallow fry my fish. So you can see my oil is a little bit more than pan fry. Yeah? After I fry this fish, I'm going to remove most of the oil before I continue later. Yeah? This is coming to about close to 3 minutes. So I'm going to flip once. Oops. So I'll give another side another 3 minutes, then it is almost done. Keep it on medium-high heat at least. This is after another 3 minutes. The fish should be almost fully cooked, but I just want to brown it a little bit more. This is my personal preference. So I'll give it another 1 minute plus, then I will take it out. Right, total frying time about 7-8 minutes here, right? Just to get the brown, just to get the channels I wanted. I'm going to put it on top of an oil absorbing paper at the side. Actually, the Jing Xian Yu I bought today is quite big. Much bigger than the normal ones I saw from the Fan shop. Many people always ask Appa, what do I do with the oil after I fry fish? So I have one container like this with a sieve on top. Then I'm going to sift through the oil and keep it for one last round if it is still very clear. If it's already not clear, then I will just throw it away. Then after I wash the wok, let's heat up some oil here. And I'm going to saute the ginger, spring onion, and also chili. For added flavor, I'm going to put in some of my fried ginger as well. If you have it, good to have. If you don't worry about it. Next thing, you give it some water. Oyster sauce. Light soy sauce. Some Shaoxing wine. Some fine salt. Some fine sugar. If you want darker color, some dark soy sauce. We have some very nice braised broth right now. If you don't have fried ginger, you can also put in some fried garlic or fried shallot, yeah? It all serve the same purpose. Next thing, I want to put in our fish. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. And let's braise this for a minute or two, then it is done. Right, so here's my very simple braised fish today, and let's garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.